In this video, we're going to replace a center cap on our wheels on this 2008 Acura MDX. So we're going to take a pocket screwdriver, get in behind, between the rim and the center cap, and just pry the center cap out. Do that in a couple of spots so you can get a grip on it. Now this is if you needed to replace it. If you don't have one, you'd be in this position. If you're here or in this position, take your new center cap, put it in place, push in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.